let's go ahead and learn how to add some text. So the text command is text, and then you can give it a message. And then you give it the XY coordinates where you want it to display the text. So because our window is 600 by 600, let's display it centered at 300 and 300. Let's see what that looks like. I'm going to delete the rest of this stuff actually so that we're just looking at text. Okay, well I'm noticing a couple things. First, it's white, and second, it's very tiny. And third, it's not actually centered. So let me show you some other text commands. The first thing you can do is text size will let you set the point size of your text. So if I say 64, now the text is a lot larger. Okay, there's another text command, text align, and I can say center. So now this XY coordinate is referring to the center of my text rather than a left aligned text. There we go, now it's centered. Last, let's learn how to change the color of the text. This is actually a general command to change the color of anything that you draw. It's called the fill command. So if I want to fill it with some shade of gray, I could use a number between 0 and 255. So 0 would be black, as you can see. 255 will be white, as you can see. And numbers in between are values of gray that are in between. So 150, as you can see, is a darker shade of gray than the background. Something to be aware of is the fill command affects everything that comes after it. So if I am coloring the text black and then I draw a rectangle afterwards, the rectangle will also be filled in with the same color. So now I've got a black rectangle. You can call the fill command as many times as you want. So here I could fill with 255 to make it white again. And the way to think about this is like you're changing the color of the pen before you draw things. So this loads a new pen color that's black, and then we draw some text. This loads a new pen color that's white, and then we draw a rectangle. There you go. If you're wondering how to display other colors, come back next video and we'll talk about colors. If you're wondering how to change the font that you're using, I'm not going to tell you how to do that, but it's very easy to look up because processing.org gives you a really nice set of references for how all the commands work. Also, their own really nice set of tutorials. So here I am at processing.org. If you click reference, this is a reference for all the commands that the processing library has. And if I search for text, I don't want text area, I don't want textures. Here we go. So text, text font, text align, all these things have to do with how text works. And I think create font will give you a nice illustration of how to create a font using a typeface that's already on your computer.